Today we're taking a deep dive into the Pentax K100d Super, a digital SLR released back in 2007 that still holds a special place among photography enthusiasts. Design build quality: the K100d Super carries a compact, solid build with a polycarbonate body over a metal chassis. It's not the lightest DSLR at around 660 grams with battery, but it feels sturdy in the hands. Sensor image quality: this camera features a 6.1 megapixel APS-C CCD sensor. While 6 megapixels might sound modest by today's standards, it delivers surprisingly good image quality. Colors are rich and natural, and the tonal range is impressive for an entry-level DSLR. At base ISO 200, images are clean and sharp. Compatibility lens options: one of the strongest selling points of this camera is Pentax K-mount lens compatibility. You can use modern Pentax lenses as well as classic manual focus lenses from decades ago. Battery life: battery life is modest compared to modern DSLRs. The K100d Super uses 4 AA batteries, which can be a pro or con depending on your perspective. Overall, the Pentax K100d Super may be a camera from 2007, but it still has a lot to offer. It's a great choice for beginners, hobbyists, or collectors who appreciate classic Pentax design and lens compatibility. Thank you so much.